Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the Streber fish in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you my fish observation. And this is how the Streber looks like. It's a small fish and I'm going to view the details. Alright, basically you can catch this fish in any weather condition. And for the source or the location, you need to go to the Rosie River to catch this Streber. Okay, this is the Rosie River and I'm going to show you on the map right here guys. Okay, it's near the onsen area. And yeah, just like that, just go to the Rosie River and cast your rod, and if you're lucky you will catch the Streber fish. Okay guys, and that's where you can find the Streber fish in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.